Welcome to Casual Station, guys. Today we are going to deal with Swift boss base. Uh, it's important because we have done. Let's see. Go to new and park. Okay. Previously we have used from feature commands looked at boss base and Swift boss base. Today we are going to sorry, not Swift boss base. We have dealt with the Swift boss base. Today we are going to use this looked at boss base from feature tab, and then we will compare it from surface looked at surface. So let's start. Let's see what the difference between them. For this, first of all, I'm going to take top plane sketch. Now let's draw a circle from here origin, and I'm using IPS system. I'm putting its dimension as 1 inches and okay. Now, if you remember, if we are using Swift boss base, then we need two drawings, means two 2D sketches. Let's show. One is path and one is closed surface. So it will extrude it. But for Swift boss, looked at boss base, we need two profiles and one guide curve. Here is guide curve. So one have done. Now for next, take a parallel plane, which is right click, sketch, control 8, and now I'm going to select this arc from here to here. I have made an arc. Next, escape, give it dimension. I'm going to make it of 3. Okay, it's going to be big, but let's see what happens. Now next is, we have made one profile and one path. Next we need second profile. For this we need a plane here. So you know how to get a plane here. If I want to use normal planes, front plane is at the middle of the circle, but we need this plane here. So we have to create a plane. Just select front plane first, go to reference geometry plane, or you can just go to reference geometry and then select for first plane reference, for a first reference like front plane, and next click on this point. So your plane from the origin will shift to this point. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, and you can press Ctrl 8 to take it to normal. Now next I'm going to hexagon, make a hexagon, or you can select any sketch from here. Oh no, not from the center. I'm making it here somewhere else. And now a smart dimension, I'm going to mention its side as 3. Okay, 3 inches is going to be so big. So what about 1 inch? Okay, now 1 inch, and next escape, I'm going to mention some relation. First of all, bring it here, and now you can see this curve from here. I can put it here, somewhere here, or here. So first let me show you. Select this point, press Ctrl and this point, and make a relation coincident. Okay, now next step is very easy, simple. Go to plane, right click and hide it. Okay, if we are using features, so go to lifted boss base. For two profiles, you can see here is the first profile and second profile. See, is extruding in a straight line, but if I go to guide curve and give it this line, So it will start. Press Control 7. Look how it's changed. Okay, now see the difference. How its edges is bending from here to here. It's coming here, and similarly, if I it's a solid body. If I want to make it thin features, you have to just go to mm, guide curve we have mentioned. Okay, okay. Let me show you next thing. Next is I'm going to delete these loop. Okay, but keep remember these bends. Let me show you another thing. I'm going to sketch, edit sketch. I'm going to delete this relation. Now my F can move. Now I first paired coincident this point to this. Now I'm going to select this one and this one, and okay, what happened? This one and this one coincident. Okay, now see the difference. Lifted was this. First profile, second profile is going to be straight, but when I go to guide curve, select this and this. Now see the difference. It's going to this age, but when I've done it earlier, it's going from here to here. That's why it's showing something little more bent than this time. So it's done our first. For next, I've told you we will use first from feature lifted washes, and then we will create surface lifted surface. So for these, I'm going to take new document part. Okay, everything is same from front plane, from top plane sketch. Or we will now this time I'm going to make a center rectangle here. Give it dimension 1 inch by 1 inch, 1 inch by 1 inch. Okay. Now exit from this sketch. Take a plane perpendicular. That's right plane. Control 8. Now next, similarly, I'm going to take an arc from here to here. I've made an arc. Let's give it dimension. It's going to be 3 or 4 inches. Take it to screen. Okay, and double click for exit sketch. Now same working. If I'm going to take front plane, it's going to be here. Okay, let me show you. I'm not selecting front plane earlier. Now I'm going to features, reference symmetry plane, and now let's see. Here is first reference is empty. This drop down arrow, front plane, and now for second reference, click on this page. Now you can see plane is shifted here. Now sketch, and what we are going to sketch. Let's draw a triangle. Let's make a hexagon, but select here 3 edges. Okay. The smart dimension, we have made side of 1 inches here. Let me make it of 2 inches, little bit bigger than square. Now this is done. Escape. Double click to exit sketch. Click on the plane height. Now it's done. Okay, one more thing. We don't give it a relation. Let's first select this point and this point. Make a relation coincident. And okay. One more thing. If I just select this point and this point, what will happen? It's your homework. Try by yourself. If it's working, then you can show me. If I have time, then I will try to show you. But it's going to be show some error when I use this line and this point to coincident. Now next is activity sketch. I told you we are going to use surface, look at surface. For first profile, for second profile, it's up to you. You can select first this profile and then this profile. For guideline curve, get this. And okay. Look, your surface is solid. Let me check. Here is thin features. No, we don't have thin features in this. We have the thin feature option in Swift Surface or Swift Workspace. So, see how it's going. I have made a relation from this edge to this point. That's why it's going to be bent like this. Okay. Now, same thing. I'm going to show you. I need to sketch. We have made a relation here and here. Okay. Look here and here. Mm, look from this line. This is our drawing line. That's why it's going to be from here to here, from here to next edge, from here to next edge, and from this line is going to be cut this mid line. So now I'm going to show you this point to this point. I'm going to connect this line to this edge. Let's see what happens. First of all, go to this one. Looked at workspace. I'm going to delete you, boy. Okay. Now next is the sketch. Edit a sketch. Select this coincident and delete. You have to press delete button and pressing it. Next, you can move this triangle and now select this point and this point. Coincident. Okay. Now see what will happen in surface, Swift surface. Not Swift surface, we are using lifted workspace. First one, second one. Now see how it's going. But when I select this guideline curve, it's going to be, look, it's going to be little from here to here. Yeah, from here to here. Have you seen the difference? That's why it's up to you. If you want, you are drawing something in which you have to show some sharp corners or you have to show some bands. So you can use looked at workspace or looked at surface, and you can use these tricks. Okay, I have told you that if I join these, let me delete this. Right click, delete. Yeah, I told you if I go to sketch, edit sketch, delete this coincident. If I select this one and this one, let me show you. You can use in different geometries. It will work in some geometries and it doesn't work in some geometries. So I'm asking you to try by yourself. It will increase your knowledge. Coincident. Uh, let's see what will happen. It's going to be extrude from here to here. How? If I go to surface, exit sketch, look at surface. It's not going to work, but let me show you from here, here. Okay, it's working. It's working. Look how it's working. It's going to be little complicated. Okay, but if I use from part 3 that we have made this, I delete this lifted workspace. Now sketch 3, edit sketch, delete this coincident. Now let me try this. let's see what happened. This one and this one. I have tried in other geometry and it's showing error. That's why I'm saying I can use different geometries to see what will happen. Lofted surface, okay, from this one to this one, and the path is this one. Oh, okay, that's going to be great part. Okay, so now next is scene. We can change its appearance. We can change its view. Okay. And one more thing. Look, if I used it as lifted surface. That's why it's going to be hollow part. You can see it's a hollow part. Um, okay, it's a little bit complicated. That's why it's not going to show its hand. But you can feel it's here. This edges is showing. That's when it's a hollow part. While I'm going to again show you features. Lifted boss face is going to be solid part. This one, okay. See, it's a solid part. Here is not lining. That's why it's not. Okay, hope you can understand the difference between lifted boss base in from features and from creating lifted surface, and understand the trick that how can you make some more sharp edges or twisting in your two different profiles. That's all for today. Subscribe Caddy Station for further videos, and if you have some problem then you can ask me in comment section, or you can contact me on my through my email, so if you want to ask something else. Thank you. Subscribe the Caddy Station and like this video, and also share it.